Hi guys, in our previous video, we created our pressure pipe network cross sections here. Now in this video, we will create the same as a cross section for the pipe network. So pressure network and pipe network is the more difference to create the cross sections. So I'm telling to here best way how to we create the cross section in the pipe networks. So let's go start. First, we have to create a polyline PL, and this is the ortho on, then straight. We can say here the 10 meters. Okay, enter. Then select this polyline and copy CO, copy from the center, and now we of the ortho, then bring one to here, then second, where is the structures? The center of the structures here, and then another structure is here. Okay. Then next structures here. Okay. Then other one is here. We have, my means you have to paste this line all the center of the structures. Then this is the very easy way to create the cross sections for the pipe network here. Then another structure is here. Somehow the file is the big, that's why it's taking some time. Okay, here, then go to next structure is here, all center of the structures, and now it's coming the last structure in this. Okay, second things, we have to align this all polylines along with our network. This is the already the aligned, and this is the already aligned here, and this one we have to align as the our alignment. Just select RO rotate command and select here, then reference, then select here, select, then click to here's. Okay, I think you all are knowing the rotating. If you don't know, then you can check my previous videos. There is one video for rotation, same like this. RO command rotate and reference, select here and select this point, then come to here and select the our alignment geometry point here. Okay. Oh, this is the somehow not good. Again select RO command, select here, then select the reference from here to there, then zoom and select this geometry point. It's okay, correct. Then you come to here, select same command RO, then select reference, then first point and second point, then corridor geometry here. Yes. Then come to next one, select same command RO rotation and select from here reference, then first point, second point, and then select our corridor geometry here. Okay, then I'm doing somehow faster, you do Very careful this one. Then command RO, giving here first point, select, then the reference, then again come to and select the first point and select point, then rotation angle is the reference, this one, okay. Then come to here again, select this one, command give RO rotate here, then select the reference, select first point, select second point, then select angle point, this geometry, okay. Then come to last one here, select, give command RO, select the rotation point and choose the reference, then select the first point is this one and second point is this one, and then you choose the our rotation angle, okay, all. Now this polyline. Now just come to here, the sample line, just click our alignment, okay, then give to name network SP, okay, sample lines. Here you see the easy ground level we need, pipe run we no need, pipe run the corridor we don't want, okay. And here you come pipe network, okay. Then the pressure network we don't want, okay. Then say okay here. Then come to here, it's saying by range of the stations, add station, this you can use for, if you don't want to this polyline, then you can choose the add station and choose the 1 by 1 and left right length you have to give. But we already applied the sample lines. It's very good because no need to again do. So just click here and select the existing polyline. Polyline is this one we selected, and see one found, and second one, this one found 2, and see this found 3. You can see in the command bar. And this one also select, then select this one, then you select this one. All polyline you have to select, this you select, and this one you can select here, and this last you have to select, then have to enter 2 times, okay. You see now some sample line has created, okay. Our polyline converted the in sample lines, and chainage also you can see the all structures here. Now just go in the section view, profile and section view. Here the see section, just click here down arrow and choose the multiple. If you want only one, then choose this one, or multiple, then here click, okay. This will open here our pipe network, the alignment is here, and sample line, you know we given name network SP is there, okay. Nothing you change here, just say next. Then where you want to place in model, we want to place here in draft, select, and next here automatic, and next here also elevation automatic, and then come to here. You see what we will see in the our sections. Existing ground level we will see corridor pipe network, and corridor pipe network surface is the network surface is here, okay. So just next ones here and create the cross sections, and where you want to put, I want to put here, okay. This whole section you has got, you see this is our structure is there, and our pipe showing is here, and this the chain is number, and another second one in on this chain is, see you can see the structure here, and here pipe, why you see the 2 pipes, one pipe is there, one pipe is there. You see the our second one in the pressure network, you see here is our problem. One this pipe is showing, and another this direction is the angular is showing here. That's why in the two pipes are look to showing to you. Okay. Then come to here, this is structure, and here also this two pipe echo inlet and outlet. And everywhere you can see here the inlet, outlet, this inlet and this is the outlet. How this much difference you can see there. Our chainage number 1799, 1799, see the profile 1. See here 179. You see this one 1800 small is there. So they see this pipe is the up and this pipe is the down. That's why you can see in the our section there are two pipes looking. This is the one is the inlet and this is the outlet. So I think you understand that how to we create the cross sections. Another way, if you want to create the cross sections at every chainage, then you repeat same as I told you in the pressure network. Okay. In next chapter, we will create the earthwork volume, means how much the filling and cutting in this pipe network. Okay. Thanks for watching.